Yeah. So once again, a very good morning to those who have joined at the earliest by 8:30 or between 8:30 to 8:35. That range normally we give to get ready for the live interaction between me and you. And today's topic, as I said, is so important that it is the base for all the topics. So in future, we are going to discuss some topics which depends upon the structure of atom. Once you understand the basic structure of an atom, I think every chapter will become very easy. Okay, right. And today's topic of discussion under the structure of atom chapter is quantum numbers. Okay, so I have given a caption for the quantum numbers. It is also called as what? Address or location of an electron. That means after understanding quantum numbers, you will be in such a position that you will say that electron is available in this region around the nucleus. Okay, so the probability of finding electron becomes maximum around the nucleus by understanding quantum numbers. Okay, so why I said it as an address of an electron or location of electron. For example, one everyday situation I want to discuss with you all. Now, think that you are staying in the Sainik School, Bijapur hostels, okay, and your parents wrote a letter or any courier service, they want to reach to you. So the very first work, any postal department or the courier service, what they do, they divide district wise. Bijapur courier one side, Bagalkot courier one side, okay. So like that, district wise they separate it, whether it is a postal service or a courier service. That means Bijapur is very important if you want to receive what postal what cover. So first important is what? Bijapur. Once they come to know it Bijapur, in Bijapur where it is Sainik School. So they see address, whether it is Bhavsar Nagar, Station area, Gol Gumbaz area, Athani Road, okay, or Hudko Colony, or Gandhi Chowk, Shastra Nagar, or Sainik School. So depend upon the locality. So they separate. That is second level separation. First level is what? Bijapur. Second level is area wise. After understanding this postal cover belongs to Sainik School area, then they will come to directly Sainik School. In Sainik School, where it is a vast area. So okay, by they will see your name, okay, hostel, class, everything. Oh, so this belongs to Hoysala House. This belongs to Adarshya House. So that means they see in the campus which hostel, which house. That is third level of reaching you, locating you. So once hostel is located, okay, then next is what? Next is exactly where you are in the house. Are you in the wreck? Are you in the barrack? So that means slowly from Bijapur to Sainik school to house to your area. So that means ultimately at the end they exactly locate you either by directly, or if they are unable to locate in the house, they ask your friends where is this boy is available. So he is in the fourth barrack taking a bath. Oh, okay, right. So directly will go either you to directly that boy or to the friend. To that means this is the way to locate you, to give you the cover. In the same way, something I am hearing sound. I told already. So kindly restrict your what mics to the in mute condition. So in this way, to locate electron, so there are some ways. These ways are called as quantum ways. So what we have just now understood normal way, day-to-day life experience. So in the at the microscopic level, so we understand some theories. So this is called what? Quantum way of approaching to find an electron, okay, or microscopic way, or spectroscopic way. One more new word we are discussing today, where we learn in the higher class what is meant by spectroscopy and what are the spectroscopical methods to locate to see the electron. Okay, so quantum numbers means it is a number given to a particular electron, so that using those numbers we can easily find out electron to 99%. Okay, so how the roll number is very important for a particular cadet, in the same way quantum number is very important for every electron. Every electron is having these quantum numbers. Okay, understood? So quantum numbers means it is the number. From these numbers we will come to know the address of an electron or location of an electron. Very fantastic. So we'll go to the next point. What is there about the quantum numbers? Okay, right. Yeah. Totally we have 4 quantum numbers. Principal quantum number n, azimuthal quantum number or angular quantum number L, magnetic quantum number m, and spin quantum number s. Okay, so spin quantum number is later they studied, but the first 3 principal, azimuthal, and magnetic long back. So these are the 4 quantum numbers. Okay, so what are these means? What are the indicates? Okay, first is principal quantum number. Will tell about what size. Okay, Bijapur, for example. Okay, in our previous example. So this will give idea about the bigger area. So in Bijapur, he is there. So this is the bigger area. Size, it will tell about the size, how big it is. Okay. Then second is what? Azimuthal quantum number will tell about the shape. Okay, that means what? In what shape it is taking round around the nucleus. Okay, in 3D. That means exactly where this cover belongs to in Bijapur. Okay, so it is a rectangular Sainik School campus or some kind of shape, land shape of Sainik School. There the boy is available, or a student is available, or a cadet is available. Okay, that is second quantum number. Third quantum number will give us an idea about the orientation. Agreed. It is available. Electron is available. Okay, size we know, shape we know. Okay, but in what orientation it is there around nucleus, it is taking circular orientation or dumbbell shape or xyz. So that means the orientation, geometry. Okay, so in what angle it is revolving around the nucleus. So that is the idea, that is the information given by this quantum number, that is called magnetic quantum number orientation. Okay, so the fourth one is what? Spin quantum number. Okay, agreed, it is revolving around the nucleus, but it is revolving in spin. So how the earth spins around its own axis when it is taking motion around the sun. In the same way, when electron takes motion around the nucleus in 3D in space, okay, that time it spins on its own axis. So that also discovered later. So by mixing all these 4 quantum numbers, we will come to know exactly where electron, not exactly, at least the probability of finding electron is, because nowadays I don't use the word exactness. Okay, because the very famous principle, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, is there in the mind. Uncertainty prevails always. Okay, right. Now first we'll discuss about the principal quantum number. Okay, mean Bijapur. Okay, so there are many principal quantum numbers starting from the nucleus onward. Okay, so first principal quantum number is 1. So if n equal to what is the symbol? Principal quantum number is denoted by using the small alphabet n. Okay, so if n equal to 1 means what? It is the first principal quantum number. Okay, so how RTO has given some numbers, no? K28 means it is Bijapur vehicle. Easily will come to know. Okay, K32 Gulbarga passing, or K19 20 no, South Canara or Udupi. So like that we will come to know. In the same way, if n equal to 1, it is the first principal quantum number. N equal to 2, second, n equal to 3, third, n equal to 4, 4, and so on. Many are there. Okay, so from the nucleus outward, from the nucleus onward, first principal quantum number is given as number 1, first row, first round. Okay, around the nucleus, and that is taken as what? K. It is named as K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. Now please bring to your mind the theory given by the Niels Bohr. Fantastic theory. Okay, only some part he was unable to explain, but KLMN given by Niels Bohr is taken care in the quantum mechanics. Okay, that means Schrodinger felt the importance of what? Electron present in the principal quantum number. So this is strictly according to the Bohr's theory. So first K, second L, third M, fourth N, and so on. Accordingly, what maximum capacity is given to each cell, because every cell has got its limitation. Okay, whenever you are hungry, we can't eat more. So as per our hunger, as per our limitation, we eat. Okay. If you take anything which is in excess, it is omitting indigestion. So anything in excess is always dangerous. Okay. So study more, too much more study, too much more sports, too much more this one outing. Everything is always dangerous. Okay. So anything in excess is not good, told by psychologist. So balanced timetable you should have. Okay. In the same way, every shell has got its limitation. So K shell can take 2, L8, M18, N32, again according to Bohr's theory given by 2n square formula. Now azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal, we use the word in the physics whenever we go out, okay, to find the what direction. Okay, that from that direction, in this only we will, that means for electron it is what, it is the shape. Okay, so in what shape electron is, okay, that is the idea given by what, azimuthal quantum number. So three information from the azimuthal quantum number tells us about subshells. That means K shell is there, main shell is there. In the K, any subshells are there, small shells are there. In Bijapur, Sainik school is there, small portion, okay, like that. So maximum number of electrons in subshell, okay. So how many cadets are there in the Sainik school? In that one cadet is there, to that cadet my cover belongs, like that, okay. So it also gives what, maximum number of electrons in subshells. Okay, main shell we understood using the Bohr's theory. In the subshell, how many electrons can be accommodated? That is important. And third is what? It defines the shapes of subshells. Okay, I told you, shape. Once we come to know the when we draw imaginary lines. So electron dots are here around the nucleus. So when the electron dots are there around the nucleus here, so we will join all the dots. So when we join all the dots using our imaginary lines, then it gives some kind of shape that is taken as a shape of that what, orbital, subshell, or the what we say whether it is a molecular orbital or the atomic orbital. So this gives about the shape to that at orbital. Okay, second quantum number, azimuthal quantum number L. Now third. So before we go to third, so here are some calculations. Okay, what is the calculation? For a given value of n, L can have n values ranging from 0 to n minus 1. This is most important. For example, for n equal to 1, what is the L value? L value is what? Ranging from what is said, 0 to n minus 1. So for n equal to 1, L is 0 to 1 minus 1. So 0 to 1 minus 1 is 0 to 0. So it is 0 only. It is 0 only. That means n equal to 1 means what? It is K shell. In the K shell, 0 means what? There are no subshells. There are no subshells in the K shell. K shell is the only main shell as well as subshell. That is the idea given by this azimuthal quantum number, which is very important information from this azimuthal quantum number. For n equal to 2, L value is 0 to n minus 1, 0 to 2 minus 1, 0 to 2 minus 1 is equal to what? 1. So 0 to 1. So 0, 1. So these two values are there for L. That means there are two subshells in the second main quantum number, that is principal quantum number. They are, one is S, one is P. Because quantum mechanical model has given some designations. If it is 0, you give as a S. If it is 1, give it as a P. So these S, P are given keeping in mind how the electron behaves in those shells. S is spherical, okay. So L is a P, 2 is a D, okay. So if it is F3, if it is a G, it is 4. So like that, the numbers are given, okay. Right. So that means according to the L values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we give some designation, that is S, P, D, F. S means what? Sharp. P is principal. D is diffusion. F is fusion. So that means how the electron behaves in that subshell, in that atomic orbital, on that ground spectroscopically using the quantum mechanical model, we have given the values. Okay, right. Okay. So now for n equal to 3, for n equal to 3, 0 to 3 minus 1. So 0 to 3 minus 1 is what? 3 minus 1 is 2. So therefore it is 0 to 2. So 0, 1, 2. That means in the n equal to 3, that is L main level. S is there, P orbital is there, okay, and D is there. Okay, D is there. Okay, right. For n equal to 4, 0 to n minus 1, 0 to 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there are 4 sub shells present in the main shell n equal to 4, that is K, L, M, N main shell. So S orbital is there, P orbital is there, D orbital is there, and F also entry is there. Okay, right. So here is a table which is given a notation. For 0 give S, 1P, 2D. So they are notations. Okay, right. Now please see this one. Please see this one. Yeah, this is directly I have taken from textbook, 11th class book. Hmm? So for n equal to 1, no subshells. Okay. For n equal to 2, there are 2 subshells, 0, 1. For n equal to 3, there are 3 subshells. Okay. Accordingly, they are named. So for 0, what you have given? Yes. So it is 1 yes. This is also 0. Which is 0? This 0 belongs to second level. It is 2 yes. 2p. One more 0 is there in the third main level. Yes only. Which yes? Third yes. So 3 yes. 3p. 3d. In the same way, 4s. 4p. 4d. 4f and so on. Small portion I have taken from the textbook. So accordingly they are given. So now you understood. In the 9th class, in the 10th class, we were understanding the electronic configuration according to the KLMN arrangement. But now we are understanding according to the in KLMN subshells are there, atomic orbitals are there. They are given name as 1s, 2s, 3s, 2p. Okay, why 2p is not, why 1p is not there will come to know here, because that p is not there in the K shell. It is 0 value is there, no, for the L value. So L value becomes 1 only in the second level. That's why P orbital starts from the second level. In the same way, D orbital starts from the third level, and F orbital starts from the fourth level. All these information we get from the quantum mechanical model, from the spectroscopic study, where L values we will calculate. All those calculations are there. They have done it. Okay, very beautiful quantum mechanical model. That's why it is most accepted and admired atomic model of the century. Okay, and you see now magnetic quantum number. Okay, so again this is calculated in the same way. Okay, right. So you see, S means what? Spherical in this shape. It is taking dumbbell shape. Okay, I told you know, in the S it is 1s, 2s. Whether it is 1s, 2s, it is round only. Okay, whether it is P is dumbbell shape, D is what? Double dumbbell shape. F is still more complex. Okay, so I have not taken, so not there for the syllabus also. So they will not ask you to draw also. You understand? So the shapes only: spherical, dumbbell shape, double dumbbell, and again complex dumbbell shape in the case of F orbitals. Okay. Now here some calculations are there that will try to understand. Okay, right. What is the calculation here? Yeah. For any subshell defined by L value, okay, so 2L plus 1 values of M are possible, and these values are given by minus L to plus L. Oh, this is very important. For example, here, for L equal to 0, for L equal to 0, M can take the value of what? Minus L to plus L. Minus L to plus L means what? It is L equal to 0 here. So M becomes what? M becomes 2 into L plus 1. So 2 into, what is the L value here? L value is 0. So M equal to 2L plus 1. So 2 into 0 plus 1, 1 only. So means what? Means when L is 0, M will take the value what? 1. Okay. So that is called 1s orbital. Now for L equal to 1, M can take 2L plus 1. So that means what? 2M, 2L plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3. That means there are 3 further subshells in the P only. Already we know P is subshell. In the P, where is the orientation? See, M will give orientation. No, in the P, again there are some are on the x axis, some are on the y axis, some are on the z axis. So in the P, again further subshells are there. So depend upon the orientation x, y, z. So 3P means what? Px, Py, Pz. Whereas in the S, it is only one is there. That is spherical. So the round shape, whether round shape in the x side, round shape in the y, round shape in the z, it is round shape only. So no orientation for the circular or the spherical structure. Okay. So only for the dumbbell shape, depend upon the axis, it is px, py, pz. Accordingly, see for L equal to 2, m can take the value 2 into L plus 1, 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 orientation. So those orientations are here. So dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square y minus y square, dz square. So all these are orientation, they have done it. Okay, this is a calculation part, not there for our syllabus. Only thing is you have to understand how many subshells, further subshells are there in the again subshells in the SPDF. In the S, no subshells. In the P, 3 are there. In the D, 5 are there. And in the F, again 7 are there. Okay. So accordingly, and every subshell, every atomic orbital can take only 2 electrons. So yes, there are no further division. So S can take only 2 electrons. Whereas in the P, 3 are there, Px, Py, Pz, each can take 2 electrons, 2 into 3, 6 totally. So that means capacity of P is 6. In the same way, capacity of D is 10. Why? 5 orientations are there. And the capacity of F is what? 14, because 7 orientation. Each orientation will take 2 electrons. 7 into 2 equal to 14. So S 2, P 6, D 10, F 14. This is what calculation from the quantum mechanical model. Okay. So today you will listen. So kindly practice from all these using the textbook knowledge. Okay. Now, this is what I have written. So L equal to 0, accordingly it is m is 0, S only. So for L equal to 1, there are Px, Py, Pz. For L equal to 2, in the D, xy, yz, zx, x square minus y square, and z square. L equal to 3, F is there. More complex, I told orientation is there, no? So simply I have written what? So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus, because m can take value what? Minus L to plus L. What is the L value here? 3. So minus 3 to plus 3 on the number line. So totally we have how many here? 3 here, 3 here, in between 1, totally 7 orientation. So each will take 2 electrons. Totally F is 14, like that meaning. Okay, right. Now the fourth and the final quantum number, that is spin quantum number. So see, you see the year 1925, very recent, very recent. Now we are in the what 2022, hardly recent century. Okay, so some discoveries are done in the 1700, 1600. Okay, but this is in the 1925. So recent quantum number discovered is spin quantum number. Okay, so it is given as minus half and the plus half. Okay, just number is gone. Okay, there is no meaning in the minus half fraction, plus half. Meaning is what? So meaning is anti-clockwise and the clockwise. Clockwise is given plus half, anti-clockwise is given minus half. That means what? In every orbital, I told how many electrons are accommodated? 2 electrons. And those 2 electrons, how they are revolving around the nucleus? With one electron is revolving with clockwise around the nucleus, other one with anti-clockwise. So 2 electrons are there in atomic orbital, but those 2 electrons takes a revolution around the nucleus in 3D, in one in the clockwise, one in the anti-clockwise. So diagrammatically I have shown here. Okay, if only one electron is there, for example hydrogen, only one electron is there, how it will take, we don't know whether it is taking anti-clockwise or clockwise. Only by seeing only we come to know, we can't take, but it is only one spin. Okay, in the case of helium there are 2 electrons. Okay, both are there in the 1s only, in the K only. So those 2 electrons are revolving around the nucleus in what? In the same only, in the same K only, one like this, one like this. So that there is no collision, there are no repulsions, because ultimately we keep in the mind, we should go for the minimum disturbances. Okay, disturbances are there, we can't rule out disturbances. Repulsions are there, we can't rule out repulsion, but we go for the minimum repulsion, so that when the repulsions are minimum, that is taken as what? Most stable. Okay, so with the least repulsions, with the most stability, we go for structure of atom. So I think I have made clear all the 4 quantum numbers. So now session is open for discussion. Anybody? Rohit Kolki gave signal that he has understood all the 4 quantum numbers, which gives us an idea that where exact electron with what, in what orientation. Okay, so thank you Rohit for your symbol, how symbols we use to denote 4 quantum numbers in the same way. Rohit Kolki already gave me signal that he has understood. So anybody, most welcome. Sushmita Malangoda, if he has joined. Okay, so very interesting chapter. So we enjoy this topic like anything. Okay, so Dattatreya, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So Sushmita, in and out regarding quantum numbers N, L, M, and S.
No, sir.
Very good, very good.
Sir,
Sushmita is there in Bijapur, in Karnataka, in Bijapur, in Sainik School Bijapur, in the quarter. Okay, so you are located. I will come and give cover to you. In the same way, electron is located. It is in the K, in the 1s. It is in the M, it is in the 2p. It is
sir,
in
we
the
have to
N.
practice the diagram, sir.
Which diagram?
In the PPT 8th page, it's there, sir.
You want
We should practice the diagram, sir.
diagram? Practice, please practice, because it is useful.
Okay.
Because these shapes we use in the very important chapter, that is fourth chapter. Third is very small. Chemical bonding. Bonding, these orbitals have to overlap, they have to mix. So these shapes are very, please practice. Not F. F is not there for syllabus. S spherical, P dumbbell shape, D double shape. Only these three you practice. F at the BSc or the MSc level. Only these three are kept for the 11th and 12th. Okay.
Can you send this in WhatsApp group, sir?
Is it okay? I'll send. I will make a PDF form and I'll place it in the 11th AB group, and you can go for you can refer and you can make your own notes. Okay, no problem. Then anything? Okay, shall we wind up? Thank you, Vikrant. So thank you very much. All are very happily they're expressing their views. Amresh, okay. So kindly please keep the same happiness, same spirit, okay, throughout year. Whether school starts now or then, don't worry. So there is no dearth in getting knowledge. So our sense organs are open. So using our 5 sense organs, we gather maximum knowledge. So that whenever exam is there, whether online, offline, anything, we are ready to face any challenges, any situation. Okay, that is the mind setup. Okay, you have to set our mind. I think now it is 9:09, so we will wind up. I think I have made it clear. So you also go through the textbook and any other source with my discussion. No problem about the quantum numbers. Okay, so thank you, my dear students. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.